morning friends, I am Arwin. Today I am going to do a puppet show based on stay home, stay safe by a epic story. Okay, now we'll see the puppet show.
Once upon a time in a forest there lived Ram, Lakshman and Sita with a happy life. Suddenly a golden deer passed away. Sita was so amazed and asked Ram to get the golden deer for her. Ram said okay and went to get the golden deer. Few minutes later, Sita asked Lakshmana to search Rama. Okay, said Lakshmana, but a while. I need to do a measures for you. Please don't cross this line. This is for your safety, Mata. Okay, now I'll go for search Rama. Okay, Lakshmana, I will not cross this line. Suddenly, King Ravana appeared. He was lost in a battle in the forest for many years, so he came for asking food and water. Sita said, okay, I will get food and water for you. Ravana said, I cannot accept your offer if you are not coming out of the house. Sita said, okay, I'll come. Ha ha ha! I'm going to catch you. Come with me, you. Leave me. Lakshmanan and Ram are police and doctors who save people from coronavirus. Sita is the human and the golden deer is the corona spreader, and the demon Ravana is also corona spreader. If you come out of the house, we will be affected by corona. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.